OMG. Yo, serious. No, that one was spaghetti. My food just came out. This is what I'm talking about, right? Let's check it out.
It's okay,
No, it's okay. Thank you. This one here, y'all. Yo, this has been too cool. This has been too cool, y'all. Yes, in USA.
I love
Like-
USA.
Yo, if you're ever in Vietnam, you have to see it on a motorbike. Don't get no grab car, boat car, get a motorbike. And I'm about to go in here, man. It looks really crowded. I love new experiences. I love like ordering in different places where I really don't get the language. But we're gonna try our best, man. There are 3 stories here, first, second, and third. Let's go over and check out Jollibee's. Yo, this kind of remind me of Mark Ween's spot, yo. How crowded it is. This is serious, man. Everybody and their mother here. This is a little alleyway with other stores and stuff. Maybe we'll check that out later. Let's go into Jollibee's. Let's check it out. OMG. Yo, it's serious. It is serious. It's serious, y'all. That fried chicken looks good, though. I'm gonna get the 145,000 dong combo. Hanang Taga. We're gonna check that out. Let's check it out. That's like the spaghetti. Ooh, we got wings too, y'all. Y'all know I love wings. I think I'm standing in the right. They got ice cream here, everything. Look at this. OMG. That looks so good. She got the spaghetti and the chicken. You guys in line? You in line? All right, here we go. Here we go. We're moving up. We're moving up.
Mì ấy không? Không mì ấy hả?
Look at this stuff. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that one right there. That one. I'm gonna get a whole bucket of chicken. That look like the spicy ones right there. I want some of that too. Let's go. Y'all thought this was a game. We are not playing. We are not playing. They actually got silverware here at this Jollibee's. Ooh, maybe I'll be able to sit here, man, downstairs. I want to go upstairs. Oh yeah, I know I want this right here. I want this one right there. Yeah, same, right? That one. And it's spicy? This one's spicy? Yeah, and I want that too, yeah. Yes. Order here? Okay. I'm gonna get this one here, the one he showed me. I'm gonna get that one. No, that one was spaghetti. Get that one with spaghetti, yeah. And I get this one. And that's the chili chicken?
Eat here, I'll take away.
Eat here. Yes.
75,000.
And I get this too? I want the spicy.
Yes, spicy.
Okay. No. I get this and the spicy? No?
You can change to spicy.
Okay, I want to get this one and then spicy.
2 piece.
Yeah. 2 piece. We getting the 2. Look at this, y'all. OMG, that looks good. Look, y'all, my food just came out. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is what I'm talking about. I got my 7-Up. I got the spicy chicken right there. And I got the spaghetti. And I got this chicken. I can't wait to eat it. Yo, it's mad busy in here, y'all. They got people are tearing up the ice cream too. It's very hot outside. It's about 110 degrees outside. Maybe about 90 degrees.
This your change?
This my change, thank you. And I got the order, y'all. Let's check it out.
It's okay, it's okay.
No, it's okay. Thank you. No, I got it. It's okay, thank you. We're gonna go upstairs, y'all. Let's go upstairs and check it out. Yo, it's mad crowded in here. I love it. We got one more upstairs, maybe? Upstairs? No? Upstairs? Already full. Okay. Oh, right there. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Come on. Yo, here we go right here, y'all. It's about to be on. I'm gonna go right over here in the corner. Y'all thought this was a game. We are not playing. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. Jollibee's is the truth. Jollibee started in the Philippines, but here in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, they are not joking. Jollibee's is blowing up. Let's check it out. I got my fork, y'all. They actually have silverware here at Jollibee's. Can you believe it? First thing we're going into is the spaghetti. Back home is kind of like sweet spaghetti, kind of like that Chef Boyardee. Kind of like that Chef Boyardee. Kind of like that Chef Boyardee stuff. Kind of like that Chef Boyardee stuff. Let's check it out. Oh, it's got cheese on it. It's got that sauce still. Look at that, y'all. Oh, that is it. That is, ooh, it's got that little hot dogs like back home. There's some little hot dogs in there. What is that? Cheesy. Let's get it. So far, I like y'all. I like it. It is sweet. It's pasta. Good. It tastes like a little bit over a la dente. It's delicious. Some people love them for their spaghetti alone. They have these little hot dog pieces. Check it out. That's a hot dog. I was gonna go right to the chicken, y'all, but I need a little bit more of that spaghetti. I wonder what's the history around this spaghetti and Jollibee's in the Philippines. The next thing we're going into is that fried chicken. Fried chicken. Let's check it out. It's crispy. It's juicy. It's well seasoned. I taste a little salt and pepper in it. Look at that crisp on there, y'all. This is really good. Y'all give me a second, let me eat my food. That is so good. Let me see what the total is. The total for both plates is 145,000 dong. That's along with the Sprite soda or 7-Up soda that I got. Let's stop playing. I don't know what part of the chicken this is, but we're going into it. Oh, that is way too spicy. Oh, that is crispy, delicious, spicy. Oh, that is the most spiciest chicken that I've had at a fast food establishment in my whole life. And I'm going for more. It's finger licking good. Wait, I've heard of that phrase before. There's another chicken spot that says that. It's finger licking good. This one is really finger licking good. I'm going back to this piece now. Look at that skin. That batter.
Look at this. Crispy, spicy. It tastes like some type of Vietnamese barbecue sauce on it. And it's still really hot. That is so spicy. I'm starting to sweat right now.
Yo, y'all thought they was here playing. They are not playing, man. Here come the trays. Let me get out of the way. Come on, man. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at those trays. This is the bomb, yo. I absolutely. Hey, beautiful. Yes, yes. Yo, this has been too cool. This has been too cool, y'all. I am like really happy right now. Hello. What you eating? Ice cream? Ice cream? Ice cream? Ice cream? No ice cream for you?
No.
No ice cream?
No
You
money.
finished?
No money.
No money? Oh, give him ice cream. Go get ice cream. You want?
Give my money. Give me money.
Hold
No,
on.
it's you.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm
and
fine.
I am good. Thank you very much. Come on.
you? Good night.
What is this for? It's not raining. It's not raining.
Umbrella because
No.
it's very hot.
Very hot. Siêu nắng,
The
siêu nắng.
shine.
You sẽ biết yêu Việt Nam nhất thế giới. You sẽ biết.
Yes.
You sẽ biết. You sẽ biết
Việt
lẽ.
Nam
Ở đâu?
thế giới.
Việt Nam Huy.
Can you repeat? Yêu Việt Nam nhất
You Việt Nam yok.
thế giới.
How you doing?
My, tôi.
No. What's your what is going on here?
Đấy.
Where you from?
Bảo Las Vegas.
Not Ho Chi Minh.
Bảo Las Vegas.
Ba Laftiga.
Yeah.
Where?
Las Vegas. Las Vegas.
He's from Las Vegas.
You.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, Nevada.
Yeah,
I knew you. He's from Las Vegas.
Good boy.
I from Hồng Kông.
Hong Gao?
Yes.
Where's Hong Gao?
I quê Hồng Kông.
Where is
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
And Thailand.
Oh, ni hao, Thailand.
Yes.
Sawadee
Sawadee
krap.
krap.
Sawadee krap.
Nam mô Di Đà Phật.
Ah, chai.
Yes. I live siêu ngon.
Ah, you really from Thailand? No.
No, me from Thailand.
Bangkok.
Bangkok, Thailand.
Yeah.
Sawadee krap.
Trên lây gai.
You.
Tomboy.
Boy.
Tomboy nghèo.
Campuchia.
Why you not in
Cambodia
school?
boy.
No school today?
No.
Phnom Penh, Cambodia.
Yeah.
I go in 2 days.
Oh.
I go to Cambodia. I go Cambodia.
From bên.
You from Cambodia?
Yeah.
No.
You. Cái mặt là
he said no, I'm not from
Fight boy
Cambodia.
xem Campuchia.
I like that hat. That's a nice hat. That's nice.
Lao.
Nice hat.
Chào má mày.
Who from Laos?
Lao.
No.
She said no. Who's from Da Nang?
Ê girl không đi à?
I'm from Da Nang.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Hayong Yeseo.
안녕하세요.
Hayong Yeseo.
Yeah.
All right, I'm out of here. Y'all like Jollibees? Jollibees good?
Top một, Jollibee, top một.
Okay, Jollibees.
Top one.
Jollibees or KFC?
Jollibee.
KFC no out.
No KFC.
Yes, no KFC.
Okay, Jollibees or KFC?
McDonald's.
He said McDonald's. He said McDonald's. McDonald's over Jollibees? Yes?
Yeah.
No. No.
Jollibee.
McDonald's or Jollibees?
McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Yeah, mèo béo.
You like hamburger?
Yeah.
McDonald's or Jollibees?
Okay.
Jollibees. Thank you guys. Come on. Y'all have a great day. Yo, I see y'all later.
I love Vietnam.
I love Vietnam too. I do. Vietnam #1. And Jollibees.
Where are you from?
I'm from New Jersey.
New Jersey, USA.
Yes, and USA.
I love
Like-
USA.
New York is here. New Jersey's here.
Okay.
You know, really close.
New York. Gần New York.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Y'all go to New York one day.
Yeah.
When you come to New York, call me.
I will be like Donald Trump.
He will be like Donald Trump.
Yeah, Donald Trump. Yes.
Not exactly.
I love Biden.
He's gonna be. He likes Biden. He likes Trump. Well, you want to be rich with money
Yeah,
like
rich.
Trump. Rich, yes.
And so
He
bad.
love Obama. He love Obama.
Who? Obama.
Obama.
Everybody knows Obama here, but they don't know me. I don't know. They don't know me. Who am I? What's my name? What's my name?
Matt A. M-A-T-T. Yeah, DB.
He said, Matt. You guys, y'all have a beautiful day.
Yeah.
All right, no matter. Stay out of trouble. Okay. Goodbye. Those are my friends, my new friends here in Vietnam. Peace. This your man Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you're with the right cat now. I love you, cat. Signing off from Vietnam. Jollibee's here in Ho Chi Minh. Absolutely delicious. On to the next one.